In this video, I am going to be recreating my home setup in PC Building Simulator. Please stick along, please enjoy the video, and hopefully like and subscribe. Okay, and we are in the simulator. So I have like a fishbowl PC. Yeah, so I've got like a fishbowl PC, which is basically where
instead of one panel on the side, it's like another panel. Like at the front.
I have found a fish tank PC, which is a Razer one. I mean, it doesn't look too different. Okay, I have removed every part of the computer. So for the motherboard, I have a B550, but I don't think my one is on there. This is the closest that you can get. Let's just put all the stuff in. Okay, I have installed it, and it honestly doesn't look too different, you know? I mean, it has 4 RAM slots. I mean, it has like it has the drive bay with its own, like thermal pad underneath this bit, which is kind of cool. For the CPU, I've got a Ryzen 5 5500, but it isn't in this game. And I searched up what is the closest to the 5500, and it says either the 3600 or the 3600X, but the 3600 is closer, so I'm just gonna do 3600. Yeah, I know, unsubscribe. Yeah, okay. So for the cooler, I just have the stock, like the AMD stock cooler that comes with the actual CPU. I mean, this doesn't look too different, you know? I mean, of course it doesn't really have the AMD stock cooler in this game, but I mean, this is the closest, I guess, that you can get to it. Let's do the GPU. So I have the 5700 XT, which is a very good GPU. Okay, the graphics card is in. What else do I have? Okay, wait, I have 16 gigabytes DDR4. What is running at 2666 megahertz. I need 8 gigabyte. Yeah, there we go. Alright, beautiful. I mean, they're facing the same way as well, which is very, very cool. What else do I have? So I have a 512 gigabyte SSD. Let's get that down. Okay, why don't I open the... I'm just gonna pick a random one. I'm just gonna open the drive bay, and install the M.2 drive. Then I'm gonna put the graphics card in. Yes, dude, I'm actually smart. Oh, PSU that I have is 650 power supply. I don't think they have the specific power supply on here, but I mean, I have a Focus. Case fans? I mean, I just have the Gamdius fans that come with the Atlas M4, which is what I have. I mean, I think I'll be able to find something like that. Okay, so I have 3 fans at the bottom like that, and then I have 1 fan on the side here, but I don't think I can do that, so I'm just gonna put I don't know if I should put all 3 on here or put 1 in the middle where the fan on this side would go. I'm just gonna put it in the middle. I don't really care about airflow anyway. Okay, let's put all the PC parts back in. Okay, so the rule is that when you plug in your PC for it to boot, you don't put the panels on. I don't know why that is. Okay, I think all the wires are done. Let's just put in the USB drive. Oh, it's successfully booted. Should we do like a little benchmark for my PC? I mean, it basically has all the same specs, but like, it's just like the coolers and that are like, yo, my fans do not do. Alright, let's benchmark. No, I'm not reading all that. Okay, let's run. Oh, 20 FPS. Damn, that's not bad. Anyway, I think I'll have to end the video here. If you guys enjoyed it, please consider liking and subscribing for more beautiful, beautiful content like this. And I'll see you in the next video.